Hi, welcome back again to New Money Methods YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube channel where we post videos about making money online and making online investments. And these days we are focusing more on legit companies or legit sites where we know that you are sure you will make money and you will not lose your money into scams or Ponzi schemes. So if you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, and you can as well share them with friends so that they can reach out to a lot more people. So now let me go over to the new window and basically show you the site that I want to reveal it to you today. So when I open a new tab right here, this is my Google. Now I just need to type iconic media, right? So and I hit search. So when you check in my video description, the first link I've put on top will definitely bring you to this page that I am going to show you in a while. So what you need to do, just head over, you can check this one, iconicmedia.co. So you head over to this link and click it. So basically the main focus of Iconic Media is the development and the use of systems of trading robots. So this is how the homepage of Iconic Media that I'm talking about will be like. So this is, and by the way, just to show you in a while, when you head over to new tab and check on who.is search, let me just show you since when this website has been running. So just head over to iconicmedia.co. Just need to copy this and bring it here, and we are just going to paste it here and then hit search. So you can see Iconic Media, blah blah blah, the information. So you can see this one was registered in April, right, 20th of April, and it was updated on 25th of April. So basically it has been running since April up to now. So, and I told you in my previous video that if you have a company that has invested more than 6 months, I think that one most likely I would go for it. I would give my eyes to it based on the investment condition and terms, and I'm going to show you which they are right now. So getting back to this Iconic Media homepage, you can see creating values for our customers and our shareholders. Basically, these are investment companies like I've been revealing before, and they make their money from forex trading, real estate, and cryptocurrency trading. And their trading systems basically are trading robots based, and you know that with a good trading robot that can generate consistent profits can make you a lot of money, right? And I'm going to show you how much you can make. So when you scroll down or you check over the pricing section right here, they say this is our plans. And basically with Iconic Media, they are running 4 different plans. So the starter plan, the basic plan, the standard plan, and the premium plan. And I'm going to show you with how much you can earn with which plan that you like to choose. So you can see the starter plan can just get started with as low as $10 up to $300, and with starter plan you can earn the daily revenue or the daily profits of 0.8%, and you can as well as check the plan will go over for 100 days, and you can see for all the plans they are actually 100 days. So when you start investing today, after 100 days, that is about, I think, about 3 months and like 1 week, then your plan will be over, and then you'll be able to reinvest again if you like, or to compound your profits if you like. So that is it. And the referral levels, you can see they pay up to 3 levels. So meaning they will pay for you for your level 1 or the direct referrals, and your level 2 and your level 3 as well. And you can have unlimited packages. You can buy maybe worth $10 packages, like 5, right, depending on how much you want to invest. So let me basically show you how much you can earn with these different plans. So when I head over to my calculator right here, let me just pop it up and show you basically. So right here is my calculator, and maybe just if I put it right here and I minimize it a bit inside. So let's start with a starter plan. So with a starter plan, let's say you invest $10. You're getting 0.8% every day. That means every day you'll be earning less than a cent, right? So but you get that times 100 days. It means by the end of 100 days, with your $10 you will earn at least $8. So by the end of the 100 days you will have your $18, your $10 initial investment, and the $8 profit, that is $18. So let's say you invest let's say you invest how much? $100, right? You invest $100 and you're getting 0.8% every day. You're getting 8 cents, right? So with 8 cents times $100, that means sorry, times 100 days, that means you'll get $80 after 100 days. So basically you're making 80% return on your investments after 100 days of investment, right? So that is the starter plan. So if you invest $300, times 0.8%, that means every day you are getting at least $2.4. So times 100 days you will get $240. Again, 80% at least return on your investment. So that is with the starter plan. You're getting at least 80% return on your investment after 100 days of investing. So let's get to basic plan. With basic plan, the good thing, you see, as you increase your plan, your daily revenue increases, your daily profits increases. So with the basic plan, you can see you start with 301. That is more than 1 million. That's about 1 million actually. So let's see, with 301 times, and you're getting 1% this time, 1%. That means each day you're getting approximately $3. So $3 times 100 days of investing, that will give you 301 profit. So this one with 1% every day for 100 days, whichever amount you invest right here, after 100 days of investing, you will have your double profits, right? You have double profits. So if you invest $300, by the end of 100 days you will have $600. If you invest $500, at the end of your investing term you'll have another $500, making it $1,000. So basically you're hitting it times 2 right here. So when you head over the standard plan, you're getting 1.2%. That is, so let's just calculate it. But here you'll start with at least more than 1,000. So $1,001 times, you're getting 1.2%. That means every day you'll be getting at least $12. So $12 times 100 days, that means you'll have another $1,200 profits plus your $1,000. So you will be more than times 2 of your profits, right? So, and going ahead, you see the premium definitely starts above 15,000, and that is a lot of money. So, and the good thing, you can see its profits again increases by 0.2%, right? So let me just in a while calculate it. So if you invest 15,001 times 1.4%, each day you're getting 210. But honestly speaking, this is a lot of money to invest. You'll be more than 50 millions, right? So, but anyway, so times 100 days, you know, you'll be, you see, it's more than double digit, of course, right? So these are the plans. Basically, you would invest in this, and give them the referral commission and all that. And if you like, then you can keep compounding after 100 days, and you make your money grow. So here you'll find a few of the FAQ right here. What does the company do and why it should cooperate with private investors? Basically, that is it. So what I wanted to tell you is, you see, for example, if you had me back in the BLOQ age or UG football age, it would literally take you from 14 days to 18 days to double your money, right? But how long did these companies last? Basically, they lasted about 5 months, right, or 4 months. But here, you see, the returns are little. So definitely for patient investors, they will make money, right? And this is the good thing with the legit companies. All legit companies, they'll give you little profits, little returns, because you understand investing in the markets, whether forex trading or crypto or stock market, these markets are too volatile. And whoever is promising you a lot of returns, basically worry about those companies. Worry about those companies, because these markets are too volatile. The way you can make money easily, the same way you can lose money easily. So these companies that offer at least small daily revenues, I would go for them, as long as they have worked for some good time, they have good reputation. I would basically invest my money there. So basically, if you like and you want to create your account, you can just head over to the register button right here, or you can head over to get started button right here, and I'm just going to show you how you can create your account in a few minutes. and wait for it to load the page. And you can see this is the page where you can create your account right here. You can put your email right here, you can put your username and select your password, and again confirm your password. Now you will have to select the security pin. This pin would be used by you in case of you have messed up your account information or when you want to withdraw your money, right? So here you can put your referral ID. If you don't have that ID, I will also include it in my video description, or if you use the link I'll put in the description, this ID will be filled up automatically. So after, you can just check this agree to Iconic media terms and conditions, then click the register button. So after registering, they will send you the email that you have to confirm in your email box. So you go there, confirm that email, and then just come here and log into your account, and you'll be good to go. So that is it, guys. If you like the video, kindly hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if in case of anything, I have my Telegram link in the video description, and I will see you again. Bye bye.